Greenmont Healthcare Products EasyPushbar. Let's take a look at what you get with the EasyPushbar product delivery. The EasyPushbar is packaged with care and delivered to you with everything you need for an easy installation. It comes with the extendable handle, a set of easy-to-follow instructions, 2 brackets for securing the handlebar to the wheelchair handles, and an extra set of locking nuts. The EasyPushbar installs quickly, easily, and securely on most standard manual wheelchairs, and no tools are required for assembly or installation. Begin by attaching and securing 1 bracket to each wheelchair handle. The EasyPushbar can be adjusted to fit any width from 15.5 inches to 24 inches, measured between the hand grips. Attach the EasyPushbar handle to the brackets. Ensure each component is securely attached. Greenmont Healthcare Products EasyPushbar. Pushing wheelchairs made easy. To learn more about EasyPushbar, visit easypushbar.com.